your story? How did you end up in Ireland?
I've been here since 2004. It's been 10 years now here. I just try because I have 3 kids and I cannot afford to give them a good future while I'm back home in the Philippines.
Are they here or are they in...
No, they're in the Philippines. 10 years I don't see them.
That must be tough.
I left my children when they're young, around 5 years old, and now they're growing up now. One of my daughters finished the college now, so I don't see them where they're growing up.
And you can't leave Ireland because you can't get back in.
Yeah, that's the main thing. I can leave, but I cannot come back in. My worry is about the future of my children, and also my father have a problem to heart problem, so it's like I'm the one who support my father.
I mean, what's your experience of Irish people been generally?
Oh, generally, I found out that Irish people are good, good people, and Ireland is a quiet place to live on. This is like it's my second home now.
And I mean, this campaign, you're not looking to be just given citizenship or...
No, we just want a fair consideration. Just do some legal things like earn regularization. It's not a free handout. We need to earn it.
Yeah.
We need to register in the state. We need to pay our taxes. All the necessary legal things we need to do.
And what's the plan if this doesn't work? Will you go back to the Philippines, or can you go back to the Philippines?
Yeah, my kids just wants me to come back, but the problem is how can I support them to day-to-day living, and my father is still on medication every day, so how can I afford it? I want to. It's very hard to separate for the children. Also this kind of Christmas time.
Exactly.